retread. It comes from the word tread, which means to walk. So what is retread? If someone has already traveled a path and you follow the same path again, that is where we use the word retread. Also, if something has already been done and you do the same thing again or walk the same path again, you retread. So अगर आप किसी के बनाए हुए रास्ते को दोबारा ट्रेवल करते हो, that is where we use the word retread. Let's have the usage from the clipping.
I was lucky enough to retread Darwin's footsteps on the Galapagos Islands last year. Here, he began to wonder why God would have created distinctive kinds of tortoise, finch, or iguana on more or less identical small islands.
I was lucky enough to retread Darwin's footsteps on Galapagos Islands last year. So Richard Dawkins ने Darwin की जर्नी को retread किया. So the root word here is the word tread, which means to walk. So retread is to walk again. Hopefully we are getting the meaning here.
I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.